Yo, what is going on, guys, and welcome to a new video. Today we are going to be doing a extremely original concept. We are going to be doing an unboxing video. Ever heard of such a thing? You probably haven't. I hadn't before. I'm just trying not to dox myself. So you know what, let's just open it up. You will see what it is when we get into the box. We got something satisfying here. That was extremely unsatisfying. Ooh, that is really nice. And now we have the big reveal. It is a new microphone, the HyperX Quadcast S. Why is the lighting literal garbage? Here it is. So yeah, here's the microphone. And anyways, let's just open it up. Okay, so there's an easy way of opening it. Let's just slice with the scissors. The unboxing Saxen. Trademark. Not. Here we have a instruction manual. Everybody needs those. Oh no, we don't. All my homies hate instruction manual. Okay, let's just pull it out. Nothing left in the box. Just gonna gently place that down there. Now we have the meaty stuff, the actual microphone. Just... No, I can't just remove it. That'd be too easy. How the hell do you open this? Oh, you just pull. Okay. Could open it on both sides. Ooh, some foam. And here we have the microphone. I had to turn on my flash, it's super dark. Here we have a USB-C to USB type A port. It is a USB microphone. We have some kind of adapter, probably for mounting it to a stand. Oh, nice, some more. And then the actual microphone. It is way shorter than I thought. You cannot adjust that. Oh, you kind of can. That's good. Can you rotate it? Can't rotate it. Rotate it. Oh my god. So, yep, here is the microphone. I'm going to get it plugged in, and then I will do an audio test, but first I'll show you how it looks just when it's plugged in. So yeah, I am back, and I have now plugged in the microphone. One thing that I can already notice is that the first thing, the cable is extremely long, and you can see it's braided, feels really nice. It's like a hard, sturdy cable. And then I rotated the microphone. You can see these are, you can just see, you can take them off. So I rotated my microphone 180 degrees. And just another thing, if you don't know what this is, you can see that the microphone is floating in this stand. It is like a shock mount, so that if you, like, it's protecting it from the shock. But another thing, this rotation, I don't really know if that's really helpful. Yeah, the reason I rotated it was because I wanted to have this mute button on the, like, facing me. And as you can probably already see, it's RGB, yo! Just by pressing that button, you can turn on and off the RGB. So I can match that RGB to the RGB on my motherboard, and the RGB on my mouse, and the RGB on my keyboard. You can see here, it's a RGB keyboard. It cost like $500. And to the RGB strips on my behind me. But yeah, anyways, some things that I have noticed. I will do an audio test. I will also do an audio test with me playing, and me just playing normally, so they can see if you can pick up all of the keyboard sound and me smashing the mouse against the table. Yeah, but one thing I noticed is that this microphone stand is extremely short. So then I thought I could just angle the microphone like this. I could just angle the microphone with the stand, but then I thought of, because this isn't where the microphone picks up the sound, this is where it does, and you can see in there, kinda, it has an inbuilt pop filter, and you can see down here, it has like a gain thingamajig. You can see there are like dots, and to show you more and less gain, here we have the cable, we have a headphone jack for all of your jacked headphones, and here you can like change the input type, like if you have one person speaking, or you wanted to pick up two people, or that's probably one person from the front, that is probably two people, that is probably two people, and that is probably one person. I have no idea. I'm probably just gonna leave it at the same thing forever. Yeah, now I will be getting into the audio test, so I will see you then. Okay, so this is like the first sound test. I'm just gonna pause the game and, I don't know, just do some talking. The reason why I haven't uploaded as many with videos as I would have wanted, I think the last video was uploaded, I can even go check that. The last video was uploaded 2 weeks ago. Holy shit, that was so long ago. First, I'm still trying to work this out, what the perfect amount of gain is on the microphone, but this is another setting that I can use. Holy crap. Now this is the setting that I want to be using. No? This is the setting that I want to be using, because it's like the most directional. You can hear me tapping on the front and tapping on the back, tapping on the right, I think, tapping on the left side. So yeah, this is probably the one that I'm going to be using the most of the like thingamajig settings. Let's do it with some, you probably can't hear the game audio, with some keyboard noises and some mouse noises. It's me just like slamming the mouse against the table. But in my opinion, the mic does sound pretty good. Or pretty good. It sounds, in my opinion, quite good, not quite good, quite amazing. And yeah, in between episodes, I have basically done nothing. I have been playing a lot of other games. I have been playing a lot of other types of Pokemon games. I'm playing the Sword and Shield, trying to complete my national decks, which is taking a lot of time. I think I currently have like 385 maybe, something like that, but I have a lot of trade evos to do and I can't get those because I don't have any friends. No, but, and I have, my PC broke a few days ago on Friday the 2nd October. So yeah, my PC broke and there was only a few things that I could save my hard drive. There was some things missing from the hard drive, which was really strange. And yeah, so I had to fix that. The PC took about 2 days to fix, with all of the reinstalling, because I had to basically wipe my entire hard drive. I had to basically wipe my entire hard drive and then just reinstall everything, which I have done now, and I managed to save all the Minecraft worlds, or literally all of the Minecraft files even. the entire .minecraft folder. And I was also able to save my Blender things. And if you don't know what I'm talking about with Blender, please follow me on TikTok. I am doing a series where I am going from person who knows literally nothing about Blender to pro ? And I'm just like making a video every day. I am working with Blender to see how my progress evolves. It's really funny, actually. Not funny, it's really fun. You please go check it out. It takes like a lot of work. But yeah, that is really fun, and I have like 15 TikTok followers, which the reason I started my TikTok was to promote my YouTube channel. Now my TikTok's got more followers than my YouTube channel. And if you are here from TikTok, welcome. But anyways, that is it for this episode. Don't forget to like, leave a comment, and subscribe. Links to the microphone are down below in the description. And go check it out. Not the microphone, my TikTok and my Twitch. Please follow me on Twitch at LeQuaz29, on TikTok at LeQuaz, and I'll see you in the next episode. Bye!